Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, doing a weekly wrap-up. Actually, it's January 26th, and this is a wrap-up for all of last week. And I'm going to discuss the positions, trend-following positions that I took in stocks. And the whole idea is that it's to educate you, to learn to be a better trader. And again, none of this is actual information specifically generated to any one person. It's general. It's actually my trading ideas that I want to share with you and hopefully to instill in you. We jump over to Metastock. What I first do, I always rank the markets. I've already done this. I rank them. I only want to buy the strongest stocks if I can put on a low risk bet, and you can see what these strongest stocks are. You have this Triple D, you have Seagate, Western Digital, you have Silica Holdings, CELG, SodaStream. I'm going to discuss some of these trades. I took a position in Stratus. Actually, earlier I didn't have a position in Stratus because it's a competitor of DDD, but you had a 3-day pullback, so I basically bought the high of this bar, and we'll see what's going to happen. I'm risking down to here, which is a volatility-based trailing stop. I have no idea if it'll work or not work, but it's a low-risk bet. We're just going to see what's going to happen. And again, this is one of the strongest stocks. So hopefully it'll continue. We'll see. I'm not in this stock, this ADHERE Methods. It's really a strong stock. You can see that actually you're hitting new highs. You always want to buy new highs. The only issue is it hasn't had a pullback. I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to wait for a little bit of a pullback, and I'm watching it and waiting. See what happens with this one. Hertz. I'm in Hertz. Been in Hertz for a while. Actually, it fell a little bit down from the ranking, but the other day, actually yesterday, it had a nice big move up. So I'm just trailing it, and let's see what happens. I'm not going to look to add to positions. I could have bought a breakout of here, but I have enough of a position. It's not one of the strongest. I'm just following it and trailing it and see what happens. This Eastman Kodak is another one. Been in this a while. The only problem with it is it's fallen off of the rankings. It's really not going anywhere. The MACD is turned down. Just got to see what's going to happen. Probably, my risk is to here. It's a very low risk bet. Just got to see what happens. QIHU was one of the strongest stocks. Purchased it here, took off, fell back. This is an ugly reversal bar. And again, I'm trailing it right to here, and we'll see what happens. Bonanza Creek actually was quiet, and now it started moving back up in the rankings slightly. I'm looking to buy some more over here if it can take out this high to add to the position. Buy some more here, and we'll see. CELG, I bought. This thing was on like a rocket ship. If you look at this, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up days, and had a little bit of pullback. I don't know if the pullback will get worse. My risk is down to here, to about 92-ish. Not a big bet, not a big risk. See what happens. But you want to jump on board and try to go for the ride, because this thing actually went from about 78 up to almost 100. I mean, it's just a huge move. I anticipate somewhat of a pullback. There was a pullback. I don't know if there'll be more of a pullback, but we'll see. Those are the positions. Oh, SodaStream I want to talk about. SodaStream is one of the strongest stocks. I added to this, I guess it was earlier in the week, this one. I was a little concerned about this bar, but it's taken off. It just keeps on moving. And let's, we'll just see what happens. Just keep on trailing them. This is what you do. And this is what I teach. Again, I have a blog. Whoops. Clicked on the blog to show you, and I put the positions, I put the ideas here of what I'm doing, and then I also post the videos. I also want to invite you, I have a book on Amazon called The Bible of Trend Following. It's right here. 17 reviews, 9 people liked it. It kind of teaches you exactly how I trade. None of it is rocket science. It gives you exactly my methodologies and how to trade. Also, what I do is I have these books that are very inexpensive. They're on all different topics of trading. They're actually like this. Most of them are $1. And this one actually is one of the best sellers, this MACD trading indicator, where you follow the trend and where trends possibly start and stop. I have stop trading mistakes, day trading indicators, Bollinger Bands, how to avoid a bear market, all different types of ideas. So this is a good one. Nicholas Darvis, how he actually made $2 million, and this is in the 1950s. That would have been actually about $20 million in today's money. So again, I invite you to pick up these books on Amazon. They're Kindle. Most of them are $1. I invite you to look at my book, The Trend Following Bible, How Professional Traders Compound Wealth and Manage Risk. And really, my goal is to help you to become a better trader. Thank you very much.